What's good, family? Welcome back to Bobbville. We're going to take it easy on this video. Let's try to remember to stay organized while adding more and more things to the inspector. Things can get out of hand faster than you may realize. So in this video let's clean up the inspector. Word. Look at this mess. Let's start by grouping all similar objects together. We can create an empty object to store things in, then minimize them down by the grouping. I guess I'll start with the hearts. Let's make all these hearts one big hearty heart object. Now we can make the empty heart object the parent of all our other heart objects. Straight like a folder, son. Man, now that's better. I'll repeat the process for the ground, health and clouds, since they all have duplicates. My goal here is, the less we have to see on the inspector, the better. Try not to ever let things get this out of hand. Nice. Look at that. I could probably shrink this down some more, but I think that's good for right now. Stay tuned into this crazy series and I'll catch you up to everything you see here so far. Until next time, family. Stay real. Peace.